In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a location on the Waze live map. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to the official Waze live map website. Using the official page is important because it gives you the most accurate and up-to-date map interface, along with the standard search tools you'll need for this process. Once the page loads, give it a moment so the map and search features appear fully and are ready to use. When you're on the Waze live map page, look for the search field. This is where you can enter the place you want to find. You can search in a few different ways depending on what you need. For example, you might type in the name of a landmark, the name of a city, or a full address. If you're working with a specific location, try to be as precise as possible so the map can return the most relevant result. Even if your first search is broad, like a city name, that's still a useful way to quickly move the map to the right general area. After entering your search, wait for Waze to process it and display the result on the map. In most cases, the map will automatically shift to the location you searched for, and a pin will appear on the screen to mark that spot. This pin is the visual indicator that the map has found the location associated with your search. Next, click the pin that appears on the map display. This is the key part of the process because selecting the pin confirms that you want to interact with that specific location. Clicking it may also reveal more information connected to the place, depending on what type of search you performed. If you searched for a broader area and see more than one possible point nearby, make sure you click the pin that best matches the location you intended to find. If the pin doesn't appear right away, give the page another moment to finish loading, or double check that the search entry was typed clearly. Small spelling differences can affect search results, especially with addresses and place names. It also helps to zoom in on the map if the area is crowded or if multiple locations are close together. And that's it. Once you've opened Chrome, gone to the official Waze Live map page, searched for your location, and clicked